Hey, my friend, I trust that you're having an excellent day. You're feeling the squeeze of those bills. I want to let you know today that you can build an extra income on the side without sacrificing your full-time job. And so that's what I've been talking to you about. You work full-time. I know you're not at a point right now where you want to quit your job. You don't want to make a lateral move, but you do need to make extra money for whatever that financial pressing need is. Yes, you're looking for a part-time job. Keep doing it. Even get the part-time job. You have some flexibility in your schedule. You know your work schedule, so you know where you can work in pockets of time. What I want to add to you, not stress, but I want to show you a way and teach you about a way on how you can set up some things that can run for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No hype, no games, no trick, no clickbait, nothing like that. Just think about it. You are online all the time shopping for something or looking for something that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's very rare that you'll go to Facebook and Facebook, it says, hey, we're shut down, we're closed, we'll be back at 8. It's very rare for you to go to Instagram or YouTube or LinkedIn and see some type of sign where you can't log in, we're closed, we'll be back open at 8 a.m. Those sites are open 24 hours a day. Amazon, it's an online storefront. And we all know about Amazon. You'll never go over to Amazon and they will say, hey, our hours are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. No, those are all places where you can go and put information out and it can be available for people to view 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The internet never closes. That's why digital marketing and this little pocket of information that I'm telling you about, affiliate marketing, that's why it's so powerful, because you can learn something 30 minutes a day, an hour a day, and then you can begin to post information and put information out in the online atmosphere, and it's available for people to see 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's so powerful. So the reason why I'm telling you this is I know you're working full time. There is a learning curve. There is something that you're going to have to learn, but it's not overwhelming. It's not overwhelming, my friend. This is something that you can do in addition to working full time and in addition to working part time, in addition to still having pockets of time with family and friends. But because there is a financial pressing need, you need to put that priority close to the top of the list. Things aren't going to change financially unless we change financially. So we have to put our focus on ways to work smarter versus harder so that we can generate this extra income. So let me give you another example. Let's say, for instance, that you shop at Shein a lot. Shein has an affiliate program. Affiliate program means that you are selling, promoting, referring, recommending a company or a person's products and services, and when you make that sale, the company will pay you. Just as simple as that. So while you're out and about doing the things that you desire to do, if someone comes by your post, your blog, your article, your Facebook, your Instagram, wherever you're putting this information, and they purchase, you don't even have to be there. And so you'll get the opportunity to experience getting an email saying, oh, you just made money. So that's what I'm introducing to you, affiliate marketing. Now, I've told you, you can go over to ClickBank, you can go to JVZoo, you can go to Warrior Plus. There are a lot of affiliate networks where you can create a free account. You can find the product or service that resonates with you or something that you want to learn about. You can get that link and you can hit the ground running. But there's a way to do it. There's a right way to do affiliate marketing, because you don't want to just enter it and then be unsuccessful and walk away saying that it doesn't work. You don't want that. And then you also don't want to get out there and do things where you're spammed, you're caught spamming or blocking. So this lets you know that affiliate marketing and the way to do it, it's a skill set. This can actually be a transferable skill for you to enhance the career that you're in right now. That's what happened when the pandemic entered. I already knew about Zoom. I already knew about conference calls. We hit the ground running. We weren't upset. We weren't nervous. We weren't scared when we left the office, because I told them, hey, I know about how to schedule Facebook posts. I know how to post on Instagram. I know how to send texts and emails in bulk. I know about Zoom and conference calls. We're good. You see what I mean? So these are skills that can transfer. You learn social media marketing. Yes. Video marketing. You learn lead generation. Every business needs leads. Every business wants more customers. And these are the transferable skills that you can learn while you're making extra money. It's a really game changer as far as how we're thinking. So getting back to affiliate marketing is a real career. It's a huge umbrella. It's already underneath digital marketing, but it's a huge umbrella. But I want you to enter in this industry easily, effortlessly, successfully, and educated. Yes, I do believe that education is a passport to success. I've been working in education 30 years. In my present job right now, 25 years, helping young people and their parents graduate high school, go to college, and get a college degree. And I know that education has its place. And I know that you need to earn extra money, and I want to connect you with the education to put you in a position to do that. All right? So there is a system. It's very simple. It's step by step. It gives you the videos. And I'm trying not to use the same verbiage that other people are using, but it's just the downright truth. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to get the free training. You click the link, and the fella's going to give you free training. You don't have to pay anything for it. He's going to walk you through, tell you everything. All right. And then on the next page, there's another video for you to watch. And those are some of the things that you do have to prepare yourself for online. People are going to send you video training before they want to talk to you. People are going to send you that. Okay. And I'll talk to you why that's so important in another video. Here's the next thing. Because of this training, and some of it I knew, but because of this training and because of the information that they gave me, I popped out 2 articles this morning. One on Medium and one on LinkedIn. And that's a part of this training. Yes and yes. So you want to make extra money while you're working full time. You want to get transferable skills so you're not just out here making money just to be making money, even though you need it. But while you're making money, my friend, you are also learning a new skill set that can enhance your career. You can start freelancing. There's a lot of things that can spin off from this. So don't let the start stop you. Click the link, get that free training, and let's rock and roll. You're going to enjoy this system. There's no barrier to enter. It doesn't cost a lot. There's no monthly fees. There's no website you have to build. There's no product or service that you have to create. You get in, you hit the ground running. Amen and amen. Many blessings.